Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am sharing with you my updated curly hair routine. So to be honest, my routine has actually changed kind of dramatically. There's a lot of things that I have been doing differently in my routine and my curls have absolutely loved it. So if you think this is going to be like my every other curly hair routine, this one's going to be quite different. And also I wanted to share with you guys that I'm having a 48-hour merchandise sale. I'm going to leave the sale dates down below as well as the coupon codes. You guys can jump on it. It is only going to be a 48-hour sale. I will have it specifics right here just because I don't want to mess up. I'm going to type it all right here. You guys can check it out. Don't sleep on it. Or you can also follow my merchandise Instagram page. It is at Curly Apparel. You guys can check it out there as well. But today it is going to be all about my updated curly hair routine, all the things that I'm doing different with my curls and how my curls are just thriving because of it. So if you guys are curious about my updated curly hair routine, then go ahead and keep watching. So the reason why my hair looks like this is because I have changed up my routine so much. I actually now detangle my hair while it's damp, so I don't detangle it anymore while it's soaking wet out the shower. So I wanted to first share with you guys what I have been using lately to shampoo and condition my hair. I have been switching back and forth what I use. I don't really stick to anything. If it works, I use it. So what I have been using lately, and I have shared this in previous videos, but this is the Aveda Cherry Almond shampoo and conditioner. I collaborated with them a few months back and they sent me these and I really love these. My hair really loves this line. I've been using it pretty religiously. And then what changed was this new Cream of Nature line. I did a whole review on this line. This is the clay and charcoal line. So this has been pretty used up. I'm here on the conditioner and the shampoo is about here. I'm surprised usually. I actually really like this shampoo and I do use it pretty generously for a shampoo. So that is what I normally use to shampoo and condition my hair. It switches back and forth. But the thing that has been different, I know it's going to sound crazy, so hang in there with me. The thing that's different is now I have been actually, if I use a good styler, I will only do a water only wash. I won't shampoo and I won't condition. I will only just rinse my hair with water. I've technically really only been shampooing my hair probably every other week. I will if I need it, but if I don't, and if I've only been going like maybe 3 or 4 days without washing and I don't want to really shampoo it again, I only use water. And that has been working really well for my scalp. If you guys don't know, I usually do struggle with dandruff, dry scalp, itchy scalp. I usually have really a lot of scalp issues. I've shared that here on my YouTube channel. I normally use apple cider vinegar to cure that, but I have found something that worked really well for my scalp. And I didn't share it with you guys because it is on the pricier side. And I just got sent the new Head & Shoulders line. So I wanted to see if that could be comparable to this. But this is what I have been using every single time I wash my hair. I apply this to my scalp and this has cured my scalp completely as well. This is, I'm not even sure how to pronounce this, but this is what this looks like. This is from Aveda. This is a Protectant scalp concentrate. It's from Aveda. It comes in a dropper like this and you just drop it onto your scalp. It has worked tremendously for me. I love this. I use this every single time I wash my hair and I apply it to my scalp. I have no more dandruff. It feels really cooling and good on the scalp. So this is what I've been using probably for about 3 to 4, if maybe 5 months already. I have used this. So after I shampoo, condition, and apply the leave-in scalp treatment to my hair, I then usually towel dry my hair a little bit. I am still using my microfiber towel. I did sell out on Amazon, but I do have restocks that I'm working on, so it's coming if you guys were curious about it. But I do just towel dry my hair a little bit so it's damp, and that's how I get to here, because now after I towel dry it so it's not soaking wet, I use my flexi brush, and I just use this. This is all the shed hair I have from using this brush. This brush does not rip the heck out of your curls or rip your hair, or it doesn't create any damage for me. It's really, really gentle. I have been using this forever. And with absolutely nothing in my hair, I'm able to detangle with just this brush. You could use a leave-in conditioner or something. I'm not opposed to it, but this just works so well, and it works really fast for me. I section my hair in about 6 sections, and I breeze through using my flexi brush. Then we get here. So that is where my hair is at now. So it's kind of poofy, looking a little crazy because it is drying. So I have already detangled it. It is completely detangled, and there's no product in it whatsoever. Now I'm going on to styling, which is what I'm going to share with you guys on camera. I have my spray bottle handy because I apply product to my hair when it's soaking wet. That is the best way that works for me. So I'm going to split my hair in half, and I'm going to start out with this bottom section right here. So I have my section ready. This is the section I'm going to start out with. So the product that I have been using on my wash and goes that I have been raving about, if you don't know what I'm talking about, you need to follow me on Instagram because I have been talking about it there. So if you feel like you've been MIA, go follow me on Instagram. I'm always active on Instagram. And this is the Carol's Daughter Cocoa Cream. This is the Coil Enhancing Moisture Butter. I love this stuff so much. It smells so good. It is a butter, so if you're not comfortable with butter in your hair, I would recommend trying it and maybe getting the smaller jar. This is the large jar. Get the smaller one, and always check the return policy if things don't work out. So it is extremely thick, but it is a one product wash and go. It defines my curls beautifully. My curls love the hydration that it gets from this product, and it is a one product wash and go for me. So I don't need to apply a gel on top. I don't need to apply anything because this is so thick. I have to apply it to wet hair, and I would recommend that with using a butter, especially because it helps move the butter through your hair really well. And on top of that, you can go heavy-handed with this product and you don't want to. Trust me, a few things I noticed. One, it might turn your hair like with a white cast to it, kind of like a white tint to it if you put too much. It can definitely weigh your hair down as well if you are putting too much. So I would recommend always going light-handed on it and seeing if you can build it up. So it does take a little bit of maybe trial and error with this product. And if you're not applying it to wet hair, then you're asking for your hair to look crazy. So you don't need too much of it, which is what I like. And on top of that, it smells really, really good. And every single time I use it, people compliment me on the way it smells. So again, it's a really, really thick butter. It's not like a cream. It's very, very, very thick. So if you aren't familiar with butters, or even if you honestly, if you have my texture and tighter and denser, I could recommend it. But if you have fine hair, I don't think I could recommend it to you. So, but those that have tried it shared that they love it ever since I've been raving about it. And this is only the one product wash and go I have been using for a minute. So I could definitely share with you long term. My curls really love it, and I really do like it. So I am kind of putting most of the product on the ends of my hair, and then the rest I move up to the top. And that's just because it can weigh your curls down. So if I do put too much product, I'll still have definition at my roots. Then I'll take my Denman brush, and that is to clump my curls together. I always use a Denman brush, and then I will shake my curls out, and then I scrunch them. Then I move on to the next section, but that is the process I do throughout the entirety of my head. But I did want to share because I know some of you have shared with me that you're having problems with this product specifically, and it can be a little bit high maintenance. And if you are not comfortable with a gel, a hair butter, then I don't know if I could recommend it for you. So I have found this product gives me also a really good shine, and it really defines all of my curls because my hair is longer. So with longer hair, sometimes your hair won't curl up as much as it gets weighed down, and this product really does define my entire head from roots to tips. So I really like that. So okay, so this side is the side that I haven't done, obviously, and this is the side that I have. So hopefully you can see how like dry these curls are and how like moisturized and juicy clumped together these curls are. So I am going to do the same routine on this side of my hair, and I'm going to come back to you guys when I'm all done so I can share with you what I do next. My hair now is all done. This is what it looks like. And I just like to scrunch it to encourage the curls to clump together. So now that it's all done, I personally only and mostly always just air dry my hair. Even in the last video I did, at the end of the video, I wasn't very pleased with my hair. I just feel like every time I diffuse it, it just is not it. I just prefer it to naturally air dry and allow the curls to form on their own without manipulating them, because being sure to not over manipulate your curls is actually pretty important. And so I'm just gonna air dry, and that's why I normally do my hair usually before noon, and then I'm guaranteed that it'll probably dry before I go to sleep. But one more thing I want to touch on, because I normally get asked this question, is why do I use two different brushes to style my hair? So in short, I really love the Flexi brush to detangle, and I love the Denman brush to define my curls. This clumps together my curls, so I get those clumped, really like tightly wound ringlets. My hair's long, so it's heavy, so sometimes I don't get the definition I want if I don't use a Denman brush. This also, for me, does not detangle my hair very well. This detangles my hair like a dream, but it does not define and clump my curls like the Denman brush does. I hope that makes sense, but I have been using the Denman brush along with a detangling brush for a really long time. So, and also I just use this one. This is not the original one. This is a size bigger, just because I have longer hair, thicker hair, and this one works better for me than the original one. But again, use whatever works well for your hair. But this is the routine. So I'm gonna come back to you guys when it is all dry and you can see how much definition I get from this wash and go. Hey guys, okay. So this is my hair. It's not 100% air dried, but like, to be honest, I'm getting tired and I'm going to go to sleep. So this is what my hair looks like. I haven't touched it at all. I just let it 100% air dry. And if you guys can tell, my curls are so defined, super clumped together, which is what I really like. And this is normally where once it's 100% dry, I will just go in and like these super defined, super clumped sections of hair, I'll just go ahead and go in with my fingers and like separate them. My hair usually separates out pretty easily because this is like a lot of curls that are all clumped together. So doing this will give me more volume. And as you can see, I don't lose the curl definition just because this butter is so like thick. It almost acts as like a gel kind of, if that makes sense. So this is normally what I do. I always normally just air dry my hair and I'm good to go. This has been my routine for a long time, for a while already now. And then also with putting the product mostly on the ends, I still have volume here at my roots and I'm able to easily get more and more volume pretty easily. So like I said, the next step will be to like separate my curls, but I think you guys get the gist of my curly hair routine, and this is exactly what I have been doing lately, what you guys have been seeing in my videos recently over on Instagram. Literally, this has been my recent curly hair wash and go. Super easy, and my curls absolutely love, love, love this product. So it's been working really, really well for me. I will leave everything linked down below if you guys want to check out the products specifically that I have been talking about. And if you guys have any other questions regarding my routine, make sure to leave them down in the comment box because I always read my comments and I love interacting with you guys down there in the comments. So make sure to leave me any type of comment, even if you don't have a question, suggestion, anything, let me know. And also I just started a vlog channel and I possibly might be starting to vlog. Somebody had just suggested to me that I do a Q&A or sharing my experience in college, and I'm probably going to put that over on the vlog channel. This channel is going to be specifically for hair, and anything personal is going to end up, and like challenges or anything fun like that is all going to go over on the vlog channel. This is just going to be my hair channel. So if you have any suggestions regarding any types of videos, definitely let me know, and make sure you guys check out my merch. We are going to have a sale, so don't sleep on the sale if you wanted to grab something. And I think that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.